How to start a video call on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app in your Android. Just you have to open the Messenger app in your phone. Now you can see different options at the bottom. There is a chats option, calls option, people and the stories. You have to click on the call option and you can see two bars and you will select the persons from here, like I am selecting this person, and click on this video call. You will see the video call will be started. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.